Gusto mo mag-TikTok pero hindi mo alam kung paano magsisimula? Relax lang, kaya nga napapanood mo ko ngayon eh. Kasi, I got you. Here's the real talk ha, straight to the point tayo. Huwag mo kalimutan mag-follow ha. Palagi akong gumagawa ng content na makakatulong sa'yo. Game, alam mo ba kung sino ka? First things first, huwag ka magpasikat kung hindi mo pakilala ang sarili mo. Kung funny ka, go for it. Kung hindi, huwag mo pumilit. Huwag puro cringe lalabs, please, wag. Walang kwenta yung lahat ng content mo kung naguguluhan yung audience mo. Huwag maging jack of all trades kasi hindi nila malalaman kung anong niche ka. Kung mahilig ka sa comedy, then go for it. Kung pudi ka, game, samahan pa kita. Mag-focus ka muna sa isang bagay, tapos master mo yun. Saka mo na i-expand kapag medyo may following ka na. Simple lang. You do you. Quality over quantity, but not too much pressure. I know na parang gusto mong mag-upload ng every 5 minutes. Pero relax lang. Content is king, quality is queen. So hindi mo kailangan mag-post ng 1,000 videos in one day. Gawa ka lang ng solid content na worth watching. Hindi yung puro kwento lang ha. You'll find your rhythm, but don't burn yourself out. Consistency. Hindi pwede yung one-hit wonder ka lang. Hindi, lalabs. Mag-upload ka consistently. Hindi ibig sabihin every hour kahit once a day or twice a week. Pero steady ka lang. Ang TikTok algorithm hindi siya magbibigay ng love kung hindi ka consistent. Masakit tanggapin, pero hindi ka mag-viral overnight. Kaya, steady ka lang. Engage with your audience. Yung mga followers mo, syempre, gusto nila may connection. Answer your comments, reply to DMs. Pag Q&A ka, whatever feels right. Syempre, they wanna feel like you see them. Don't just post and ghost. Sa-chat mo na sila, baka sila pa magbigay ng ideas na wagas. TikTok isn't just a one-way street. Build your community. TikTok trends. Pero with a twist. Sige, sumabay ka sa mga trending challenges or sounds pero with your own style. Don't just copy-paste. Hindi ko sinabing wag sumunod pero put your unique spin on it. Baka yung sariling twist mo pa ang mag-push sa video mo sa viral page. Make it yours. Be creative. Lighting or camera? No need for fancy cameras. Basic lighting lang. Di mo kailangan ng DSLR. Cellphone lang basta may magandang lighting. Kung maganda ang ilaw, kahit mukhang nasunog na yung mukha mo, okay pa rin ang vibe. Nabitin ka ba? Teka, like mo muna, tapos i-share mo na rin sa mga kaibigan mo. Comment ka dyan kung may katanungan ka pa. So, paano ba yan? Wait for the part 2. Kita kits!